Okay, dear students, Junior 5, now I'm going to do a chemical change. I'm gonna clean my silicon molds. These are some silicon molds that I want to clean. So I'm gonna add baking soda, the white substance, as you see, white powder, and vinegar. Let's add them on each other. Okay, this is the baking soda. More. Okay, and then the vinegar. Also, I'm gonna add some boiled water for the cleaning. As you see, this is the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. The chemical change is the change in the shape and structure, and new substance is formed. The new substance is the carbon dioxide gas. Oh, it falls. Okay. Carbon dioxide gas. I will add also hot water. A chemical change. Thank you, dear students, Junior 5.